Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a video on Canva. So, first of course go to canva.com. Canva has a lot of things. Once I saw a video of someone who said, let's make a website on Canva. I think you can do that, but it's pretty tricky. So first one there, video. It can be like YouTube video or any social media platform. So, now Canva is loading in. And you can see it down there, it is a video. It's currently 5 seconds long. You can change that. So I'll show you how to make an intro. So first, let's do a background image. Let's make it red, because why not? And then get some text. Get that one. Let's say hello. Let's get rid of that one. Let's make it bigger. 250. And put it in the middle. Let's animate it. And there's a lot of animations. Let's do breathe. Let's change this to 3 seconds long. And let's add an image. Let's do let's add some music. What does this sound like? Okay, that's good. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. Now let's add another one. And let's write welcome to my channel. And get a subheading. Put it down here. And let's do the link to my channel. Copy that. Copy that link. Put it down here. Let's change the size to 30. And at the start, let's add an image. Let's do computer. Let's do that. And why not insert a GIF? I use this place a lot for like my intros. Let's just make this smaller. And sometimes I also use this for like my trailers and stuff. So let's watch it so far. Yeah, that's good so far. We should add a subscribe button. Or maybe let's do that on the other tab. Let's insert some text. Before going in the video, make sure to subscribe. That's what every single YouTuber says. Subscribe to me, by the way, because it's good, and you can learn stuff like this. Let's move it up there. Go to here, and let's copy the link. Put it over there, and let's do subscribe button. Let's get this. This one. Oh. Let's move this over to here. Move this where it was before. Let's get the like button as well. Make that smaller. Make it that size and move it somewhere like that. That's good. And now, let's watch it. have to download it. So let's go to Share, Download, and we want MP4 video, and click Download. Just like that. Bye! I hope you learned something new from this video, and of course, take yourself.